Christmas video.
That is very cute. They're both working hard together.
Oh, those are,
I'm going down. You want me to pick you up?
do you want to take those out? Liam, those ones we should probably put up on the counter.
I almost think maybe she could shop in the closet. Oh, those are glass. Yeah. Glass.
How much?
Now, how many people can fit all of that in that little cabinet space?
But I've been going to wash it.
I don't even wash it.
Next Christmas I'm going to wash it.
Oh, your cupboard.
Maybe next summer.